So again, I'm not making this stuff up. This is not what CPM tells me to do. This is like my flair, my flavor, whatever you want to say, of like how to make these lessons more fun. So we're going to talk about one of my favorite games called Space Base.
Yay.
Box looks like that. If anyone maybe has it on their shelf at home. The board looks like this. If anyone has maybe ever played it, that would make me super excited, but I'm not surprised if you maybe haven't, because this is kind of more not one of the most popular games like everybody plays, but it's based on dice. So we need to draw our own game board on our papers. So I need you to draw a number line that goes from 1 to 12. That's going to be our game board that we're going to play on. So do that right now. Then we're going to check your homework. Then we'll come back and play Space Base. So right now you just need a number line from 1 to 12, and you should have 522 out. Okay, you should have 522 out. If it's not done, you could be taking a moment to do a problem or two, but not copy answers, because that's not how we learn. All right, so 522. Another reminder, this stuff is in Schoology. So what percent of the paint is red? The trap door on this one.
Wait, that's not right.
This isn't for homework.
Yeah, 5-1.
I didn't go far enough. Good catch.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir. 5. Maybe we'll zoom out. 521. 522. There we go. So this is your practice work. If you have some of these probabilities incorrect, double check that you aren't using 1 as a prime number. Remember we talked about 1 is not a prime number. At some point, mathematicians just had to decide, is it prime or not? In part B, they're equal. Equally likely chances there. And then part C, the second one is greater chance. So we'll check it on Monday. It'll be due that Friday. So I collect homework on Friday.
Unless you feel good about it.
Just to be kind of you have 2 days to get it done. Still,
That's fine.
I'll collect it on Friday.
Okay.
All right, questions on 38.
Why is everything like 420?
Why is everything what?
Like 420? Well, those two are.
Because they were being like strategic about how these probabilities were coming out kind of related to each other. Yeah, I mean, guys, math problems don't end up with an answer like by mistake. Most of the time we start with the answer and then we like make the problem to get to that answer. Oh yeah, because you turned in too much. Which is fine, but here, I'll wait for you just a second. Alright, check out 39. I can pass this stuff back in. Any questions on random number generator? 1 to 20, so that means you have 20 numbers. Guys, it's tricky. 20 minus 1 is 19. But if you're counting all of the numbers, 1 up to 20, there are 20 of them.
What?
So random number generator, 1 to 20.
Okay.
Sometimes students will say, wait, 20 minus 1 is 19, which is true. But if you count the numbers, since 1 gets counted and 20 gets counted, there are 20 numbers. So when we're doing probability, our denominator is 20. And then D, you should have something for how you found your probabilities, but I'm not answering that for you. In 540, I wanted to utilize the 10% rule, which is what we just had our mini mastery on. I'm not taking this away. Do it with us, because we're having a conversation about it. You can't just like, come on. We're in math class to do math. If you check it outside of class, great, but you should still have it out right now. Yeah, you guys all
They
moved
moved
from
all
it,
to
like
different
all of
locations.
you.
Not
We
me.
were in the same spot today.
I'm lonely.
Okay, well, Gabe, you are consistent, right? You like to sit in the same spot, which I appreciate. I always know where to come for you. There you go. All right.
What? Do you want me
I know where to come for you to go in the classroom.
What?
I know where to come from.
What? You, like to hunt somebody down or something?
Yes.
I wouldn't. Why? That would take effort. I don't want to put any more effort in than is needed. 27, 12, 6, and 61. Guys, remember, squaring is times itself. Guys, if you don't have work written out on this, like, you're cheating yourself, because we're going to be doing problems like this in Masteries, and most of the time you get to use your notes and homework. And saying I did it in a calculator is a lame excuse. Your calculator can make mistakes too. If you're not thinking, then your calculator will accidentally give you wrong answers.
And it's going to show your work too. So we know that you know how to do it.
Guys, please check your graph. I know it's a little hard to see my axes here, so I will. So that's not the thing I want to click. That's the thing I want to click. My axes are right here and right here because negative 3, positive 2 comes over 3, then up 2. Right? It's x, y. You do the x, then do the y. I mean, you could do the y first, but the x is the first number they give you. So negative 8, 2 goes over 8, up 2. Any questions on this graph? And yours might be in a different part of the graph, depending on where you put your axes.
I have a question about how to get to the area.
Yeah. So back there, the red, yellow, whatever poster, area and perimeter. Up here, kind of blocked by some board games, area and perimeter. So if you ever need to remember how to find area, or in your book, or in your ebook, or Google it, Margo, how do you find area of a parallelogram? I mean, sure. Do you know how to use these pen things if you want to draw? So it's in red right now.
So, you do, like,
The actual vertical height, which we call the altitude, if you want the fancy word. You're not talking to me, you're talking to them. You do what? Say it louder.
do the base times the.
You do the base times the height. Now guys, those of you that aren't, it's on the other side. Those of you that aren't checking your homework right now, which probably means it's not done, come on guys. We're far enough into the year. Like, not Lakin, I hope you don't mind, but like when I just told Lakin that my homework policy is 2 days, it was one of those like, oh, because that's like a Phoenix thing that I do. Like a lot. Did you guys have to do your homework the next day? Or like, how did they, not to put you on the spot, but how did your class do homework? Yeah, so like, come on, I'm giving you 2 days to get it done, and still some of you are like, oh, whatever. You're losing the opportunity to practice this stuff and be able to apply it like in the game we're about to play. Lily?
Are we supposed to make our own axes?
Yeah, so anytime we have a graphing problem, if there aren't axes given, or some of you maybe, and this is totally fine if that's what you did, some of you maybe defaulted to just saying this bottom corner is my origin. Like you could have just said, okay, if that's the origin and I go this way, I mean that's okay, but you really kind of want to draw some axes just to like re-emphasize. Yeah, remember. So the other thing to say again for everyone, and because Lakin doesn't know it, I don't grade right wrong. Like I'm not checking for right answers because we check our answers together. I just check for effort. Like, did you actually try it, engage with it, do your best? All right, let's play a game. Put this away. I mean, or you know, put it somewhere safe for the moment. So you need your number line from 1 to 12. Here's how we're gonna play the game.
Number line from 0 to 12. Will that work?
I mean, you can put a 0 on it if you want. We're gonna roll 2 dice, and we'll use the computer because I don't really. Well, I have tons of dice, so I do have 2 dice, but it's just kind of easier to have it up on the screen. So when the number gets rolled, so 2 dice, we're going to add them together. When the number gets rolled, your spaceship gets its bonus. And you're like, wait, what? Spaceship? We are going to deploy spaceships on certain numbers. So here's your fleet of spaceships. Ivan Donovan, you with me? Because, like, come on, we're playing a game. You got to know the rules if you want to try to win the game. So we got our fleet of spaceships. We're going to deploy however many we want on certain numbers. So how we're going to deploy them is we're going to draw circles above. So here's, like, some examples of what space base looks like when you have it being played. So you can stack up and deploy as many spaceships as you want at certain numbers. depending on what you get, depends on what you're going to want to deploy. So, like, I don't know, maybe I've deployed 3 here and 2 there and 1 over here just based off, like, what the bonuses are. But you guys don't need to worry about, like, this bonus versus that bonus. You just want to get as many bonuses as you can. And really, your objective is to get 10 bonuses. First person to get 10 bonuses wins. And I'm not joking, you win, I'll give you a sucker. And we'll play multiple rounds. So if you get 10 bonuses first, or if you tie for getting your 10 bonuses first, you win. You get to place your circles wherever you want. So here's an example. You're placing 10 circles. I put mine on 3, 5, 7, and 9 because I'm feeling a little odd today. But it's odd. So place your 10 circles. Place your 10 circles wherever. So we're rolling 2 dice. The result of the 2 dice is going to give you your bonus. Guys, you need to have numbers under your tick marks. You need to know what the number is. In case you want to use that instead of.
Wait, could we put them like anywhere? Yeah. Anywhere on the number line as long as it's on over a number. As long as it's over one of the numbers. Yeah.
So if you've played dice games before, you might have a strategy.
So wait, Mr. Hudson,
Yeah.
wouldn't that technically mean like place 1 circle on each number except for 11?
I mean, you could. Like, if you wanted to, you could. I mean, I was feeling odd, so I put mine on odd numbers. I see some people not ready. They don't have their circles placed. I don't want to start until you're ready.
I have mine ready.
When you get your bonus, we're going to put a check mark in that circle. So if we roll and add up to a 5, I would put a check mark in my bonus. You cannot, like, if I check mark all 3 of these bonuses and another 5 gets rolled, tough. I already got all my 5 bonuses. Does that make sense? So if you think something's going to happen more than once, put more than 1 circle there, but once you've already checked them all, they're all done.
Okay, you know, I'm going to try something.
Okay? Everyone have their circles placed.
Yeah.
You've had plenty of time. We gotta get playing. All right. So, in a little ode to Capital, where my brother went to school, we got purple and white dice up here today. So I decided to use the dice with dots, because I know some of us don't have practice with this, so it's a good way to, like, activate our brain. So this doesn't count, but what would this be?
10.
A 10, right? So we're going to add up the dice, and maybe I'll, like, just keep track over on the whiteboard or something. 6 and 6. Woo! Way to start. So what is that?
Grace Having, please come to the office. Grace Having, please come to the office.
Who had a circle on 12 and got a bonus? Yeah, nice.
Oh, the pain is real.
Actually, let's do a number line. So you guys get an extra second.
Just not same as them.
Yeah, that would be awesome. Some of these markers might be better since they're upside down.
I feel like
This is
it
the problem
would be
with my
best
software,
if
not
you
for,
drew a
like-
line in the middle.
Well, actually, maybe. Ooh, I can. So I can drag this down to show the results too. This might be better. All right, we had a 12.
How many circles?
10. You have 10 circles. Notice I got 10 up here. All right, so we'll make green our game 1, and then game 2 we'll just use the blue chips. Right, so we got a 12. Time to roll again.
Do I fill in all the boxes I put on 12?
Just 1. Yep. See, we got it once. You want to get it again if you put more than 1. A 6 and a 4. What's that?
10.
A 10.
Oh, I knew 10 was my lucky number.
You got a bonus on 10. Put a check mark in one of them.
I put in that.
Who's gotten both? Ooh, June's gotten both.
Nora McCammon, please stop by the office. Thank you.
When you said both, does it mean
Roll number 3. 5 and 4.
Let's go.
9.
No,
Guys,
I'm
you're
good
welcome
for
to-
9.
You're welcome to shout it out as soon as you add them up and figure out what the number is. All right, ready? We can start to speed up now, I think, right? We kind of get the game. 5 and 4. 9 again. Guys, that's a different roll.
I have no point for 9.
Who had 2 circles on 9? Okay. Here we go. 3 and 2.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
5. Guys, let's get some more like participation. When we get them, like go ahead and shout out what the number is. Austin doesn't have class right now. Like we're not gonna bother. Well, she can shut the door if we're bothering her. Here we go. 2 and 5. Wait, was that? Is this identical to the last one?
Yeah.
No, not. The last one was 3 and 2. This one's 2 and 3. It's technically different, but it still got us 5. Interesting, right? Same but different. All right, going again.
Mine.
1 and 2.
Yay!
Got it.
I need a 4.
Right.
I should not have done
Ready?
10 and
Here we go. 1 and 2.
Oh God.
That literally is
Are you
identical.
sure this is not red?
I swear to you, it is random. If we decide we want to roll real dice, I can roll real dice if we want.
Yes.
1 and 3.
Yes.
Yes.
I got it.
Wow. Do we need to keep good? No one's got 10. Oh, we haven't even done 10 yet. 5 and 1.
Yes.
6. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna have to start using blue circles because wait, you got all 10? Oh, there we go. Got a 6. So I'm gonna start using the blue. Well, actually, I think I can change the color. So we're still playing. I'm just gonna try to change this color so it's not confusing us. Maybe. Whatever. Okay, don't worry about the color. Don't worry about the color. All right, here we go. 1 and 2.
Yes.
Got another 3. Anyone real close to win?
Yes.
How many, how
I
many
need
left?
one.
I am
I need
4
a 10
away.
and
Well, don't tell me what numbers.
Not a 4.
I'm
Here we go. 5 and 1. 6.
I'm
Go.
just dying inside right now.
I'm sorry. I don't want to make you feel that way. Ready? 5 and 4.
No.
9. Thank you for those of you that are saying what we're getting. Ready? We gotta keep moving. 4 and 6.
No.
10.
Yes!
Ow.
What? Oh my gosh, I need one more.
I need 11.
Here we go.
7.
Here we go. 3 and 6.
No.
9.
We haven't even got 7
Yeah, what's up with 7 and 8 not happening? 5 and 1. 6.
No.
Here's another. 1 and 1.
Finally.
No.
2.
Oh.
Okay.
Why did I put that chance on?
There is no chance to
I
get
bet the
one.
last- I know. I did that. I was so dumb.
Why are you yelling at me? I didn't set up
Ah.
the board.
You're
You
gonna
put
have
your stuff where you put it.
I got
Hey,
it.
hey, when we go to start round 2, you get to reset your bonuses. Okay? You get to reset your bonus. So we're like waiting to find a winner.
I won.
You're done, like
Yeah,
all 10.
Yeah.
You're like for real.
Yes, they're all colored in. I think she was trying to tell you. Yeah, I was trying to tell you. Like, we're gonna wait until we have a winner.
Yeah. June's got. All right, make a new number line. We're gonna reset it.
Dang it.
Take what you've learned. Take what you've learned. Reset.
Why are they all
Because apparently people don't. There's peach in there too, or there's orange or whatever.
Look what you guys did.
It's the best kind of punch there is.
Should I save her? Can I just erase all of mine because I don't want to draw a new number line? Or do you prefer to draw a new number line?
I mean, it's probably easier to just draw a new number line, but I
Okay,
guess
so
it's up
not
to
the
you.
ever.
All right. So Christian had a very loud observation of anger.
Alex!
Of-
I was like,
about-
why did I put it on one?
about what can or cannot happen.
You can't get one because there's 2 dice. and
Everybody erase
there's
one.
There's no 0. So
Trying to see
This
if this
time,
will let
can
me.
we maybe use real dice?
There, I put one on each.
I don't like AI generator.
Why did I put 11, 20? What? Yeah, it's like 11, 20.
All right. The color difference was bothering me,
Yeah.
so we're gonna get rid of those blue tokens.
One on each.
Yay! 3 player one.
We've got plenty of tokens here.
Imagine
Hey,
winning
turn to your neighbor and compare your distribution. Let's hold on. We'll ratchet up the pressure here. We'll let it that your victory is a win for your table now. So like if Donovan wins, his whole table is gonna get a prize.
Well, shouldn't Lindy get a prize?
Well, we're in round 2 now. Round 1 was so turn to your neighbor, check out their game board, compare it to what your game board is.
How about you?
Ooh, I hear some conversation. All right, ready? Let's do this thing. Here we go. Roll number 1. 4 and 1.
Yes.
5. Guys, I need to hear the total from you before I'm gonna okay? All right, here we go.
10.
Okay.
No.
Thank you. We rolled twice, right? You got both? There we go. 5 and 2?
Yes.
I've gotten all of them.
All right, here we go. 3 and 6.
Yes.
9.
I'm doing so good.
Let's go.
Yes.
Mario. Yes. Mario.
All right, here we go. 3 and 5.
Yes.
8. Careful. Don't try to go too fast.
Guys, it's 12.
June. It's 81.
Don't break my heart, June. It's like I just went and got a checkup. It's good. Don't break it. 1 and 2. 3. That June face. All right, here we go. 2 and 6.
8.
8.
Oh.
No.
Go.
7, 8.
All right, here we go. It doesn't take long to check it. 1 and 4.
5.
5.
Go.
I already got my
All right, here we go. 6 and 6.
No.
Here we go. 2 and 6.
8. Why is there no
8.
7?
Careful.
There's no 7.
Careful adding too fast. There was 1 7.
Yeah, but like.
All right, here we go. 5 and 3.
Ah!
Oh my
7 has the biggest chance of being rolled.
But does that mean it's gonna happen?
No, but like still, I'm taking my chances.
Here we
I've
go.
already
Here we
gotten
go.
my
5 and 4.
Ah!
Right
Oh,
here.
yes.
8. I've already gotten 9.
Ready? Right? Anyone get it yet?
Yeah, go. I'm kind of
3 and 1.
4.
Yes!
I need 6.
Oh, yeah!
I need 6 and 2. I need 2.
All right, here we go. 5 and 4.
Who has that many? Who has this many now?
Hey, just for a hold on. Is purple dye dependent or independent of white dye?
Well,
10,
independent.
Does this result impact this
Yeah,
result?
because then it adds.
Not the total. That's what I'm. So the individual 5 and the individual 4.
No.
So just to make sure we review a little bit of vocab today, these are independent of each other, but the total depends on both, right? But each of these die is independent of each other. All right, ready?
Yes.
Let's do another. 5 and 5.
I need 1 more.
Need 1 more.
Yeah.
2 more. 4 more. All right, here we go. Roll.
Yes!
You won. You won.
I
Do you want to do 1 more round?
Yes!
Reset.
I needed 2 more.
They got like the
Both of
raw-
you. We're doing tables.
You manifested it.
I manifested it.
Oh,
If you were really close to winning, you might double down and do the same thing again.
That's what I'm doing.
Good strategy, possibly.
Oh man, I gotta reset this thing.
That's what takes the longest, resetting that board.
I don't know why they don't have like an easy. I don't know.
Oh!
Well, I could. Oh, sorry.
I'm going to do a very good strategy.
I didn't do that one on purpose. All right, ready?
No!
What is? What, you
looks
guys
like
thinking about this or something?
No.
Randomly, just put them randomly.
So we don't get a 2.
Are
I
we
will
ran-
get
hold up.
at least a
While wait for a couple people, are you randomly placing these, or if you're not random, do you want to share like your thought process?
Guys,
What
quick
do you
thing.
mean? Say, hold on, like you would say more.
2 L's.
Okay. What do you? Oh, like to spread your things out. Okay.
I
There's some
remember-
concentration in certain places. Christian.
I mean, like, I would share, but then people would use my strategy, so.
Ah, yes.
Same right
My
here.
strategy was I looked at the notes and saw the most common dice number to roll, and then I put some on those. But
How is it cheating? It's
But
just
it didn't.
trash.
Well, does theoretical probability always happen in the
Not
experiment?
necessarily. But
All right, we should probably start.
I remember.
Roll one.
I remember I played a game like this with my sister, and she kept
Big
always
big
saying,
money,
"Oh,
big
this
money,
is
big money.
6 and 5.
yes.
11.
Let's go!
I have
Let's
11!
All right, here we go.
Big money.
1 and 6.
Yes.
I have 7!
Wow.
Okay.
Here we go.
Come on. We have no time to waste.
2 and 2.
Yes! I have 4! I'm so excited.
Ready?
I just
Come
want
on
my
now.
dummy dumb
3 and 5.
8.
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
I
Yes.
have 7!
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I know Hassan doesn't have class, but Mr. Combs does. Like, chill. Hold on. Everyone take a deep breath in. Push it all out. Here we go.
Okay.
I'm okay.
2 and 4.
Yes.
Yes!
Hey, we got a 6. If you're not paying
We've
attention, we
gotten
got
all
a 6.
of them so far.
Here we go.
Come on. Come on.
6 and 4.
Yes.
And
I have 10. My lucky 10.
here we
I'm
go.
literally
As June said, there's no time to waste. 1 and 5. 6.
Oh!
Yes.
Suck. I don't have a 6.
The
I'm
streak
gonna do
got
bio.
broken.
Okay, man.
Here we go.
4 away. 4 away. 4 away.
6 and 4. And wow, it's like when you're on that hot streak and then, you know. All right, here we go. 6 and 2.
8.
8.
Yes.
Oh, yes!
I had an extra 8.
I need 3 more. Come on.
Here we
Come
go.
on.
I need 2 more.
Okay.
6 and 1.
7. Yes.
I already got my
Ah.
Kaka.
There's a little central concentration happening
So
here.
now
Ready?
2 more.
1 and 4.
Yes!
Yes!
I need 2 more. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Ready?
What do you need?
4 and 2.
6.
Ooh, less excitement on
Yes!
that.
I was happy about that one.
I think maybe everyone already checked off.
I'm
their
1
sixes.
away. I'm
Ready?
1.
1.
I'm 7 away.
Ah. 3 and 4. 7. Careful adding too fast.
Oh, man.
How many?
Guys, also, I will admit, it is. Oh, maybe this is why. Okay, no. The dice being off-centered is very much bothering me just to put something out in the universe. Like, so I'm sorry if it's bothering you
You know
too.
what's bothering
This
me?
is killing me.
Yes, the dots are not
Yes.
centered.
Okay, let's go again.
Okay, that's it.
3 and 3.
6.
Oh, that's freaking 6.
If we're playing Connect 4, okay, never mind.
Wow.
1 and 1.
No!
Yes! I
You won?
Yes.
won!
Yes. Yes. Yes, Raphael.
No!
There it is.
Yes, Raphael.
Wait,
Yes.
Yes!
Yes,
Yeah!
Yes,
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Let's do
Don't
it.
like crumple up your paper yet. Well, never really. But you, hold on. Even though Raphael won, do we want to go like
Yes!
3 more maybe?
Yes!
Like,
Mr.
Wait, where are the multicolors?
here, I'm gonna set this here. You guys decide.
Yes.
All right, hold on. Keep going. Don't erase.
So I what? Destiny, this is all your fault.
I'm in there.
No, I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking
Put
about the song.
extras,
I'm
you
talking
gotta
about the
check them
song.
off. Look, I know math is hard. You already
Destiny,
won.
shut up.
Hold on,
Yeah, but I
keep going.
I don't want to.
June's one away. And June's mad at me. Well, most of us haven't won yet, right? Alright, let's go again. Let's go again.
Wait, I'm not ready.
2 and 6.
I am ready.
8. Another 8.
I didn't
Come
Hey,
on.
hey.
Are we winning?
Here's another.
Wait, are we continuing?
5 and 5.
Oh,
10.
Oh my god.
Where's the 9s at?
Exactly.
Wait, what did we just
Anyone? No winners? Alright, here we go. 3 and 6.
Wait, I
There's
got-
our 9.
I got 9.
Why are there so many?
We kept going. We didn't reach.
I said one
Yes.
more, me too. One more.
Because I know we don't really have
Wait,
quite
Miss
enough time
Johnson.
to play a whole nother
Wait,
round.
Miss Johnson, there's 3 8s.
Yeah, we
I won.
You won?
I won.
You already won.
I know, but
Drop it all
I
one for
We
it.
won double.
Here we go.
Okay, man.
4 and
Goodness.
You mean 7. I think you mean 7 is what you meant to yell.
I think you were good at that middle school. There was a middle school that roll the dice.
Anybody? Oh.
Wow.
Roll the die.
4 and 5.
Let's go.
Alex, relax.
Just scream 5. We got it.
Nobody? Okay. 4. So, chill. Hey, I know. That's always the thing I'm fighting against is I never have enough time. Here's the deal. You have in your notes, and before I forget, now Lakin has one too. You have your probability table. You have your dice table. Does that mean that's exactly what's gonna happen? No. But, hey, sit down. Chill. We've had our time, just chill. Can you see happening what we've talked about? How 2 is pretty rare, but does it mean it's never gonna happen? No. It's rare, but it might happen. 12, rare, but it might happen. Why are 6, 7, and 8 happening more? Who can remind us why? Jana?
Wasn't it because 6, 7, and 8 are the highest chance because there's multiple ways to get it?
Yeah, there are multiple ways to add the dice together and get those totals, as opposed to 12. How do you get 12? 6 and 6, that's it. How do you get 1?
You have to just get one. Well, you can't
can't.
unless you have one die.
So this, now hold on, this was not a trick. I didn't rig. You put your bonuses where you wanted them, right? If you know 2 is impossible, what are you doing, man? Oh, no, never mind. So if 1 is impossible, why would we play there? And I think you learned that after the first round. What, you want, so we have 5 more minutes, you want to start another round?
Yes!
One final round. Reset your board. Reset your board.
Okay, at least I have a chance
Replay.
to get another number. Wait, which one did he say the one? Which one did he say the most common?
What are y'all going to do?
You're welcome, Lindy. You can tell on 5 and 7. Yeah! Cotton candy. That's I love cotton candy.
Yeah, it's good.
All right. Ready?
No.
One. Make sure you only have 10 circles placed, because otherwise you're going to make the game harder to win. You know, if you place 13 circles that have to be checked off, that's going to make the game harder.
Okay.
Well,
Oh my gosh, you guys have never wanted me to teach so badly. All right, here we go. Roll number 1. 2 and 2. Here we go. 1 and 6.
7.
7.
Yes, sir.
4 and 5.
9.
Oh, I got all
Yes,
of them.
You guys
sir.
are in a
Yes,
hurry
sir.
now. 5 and 5.
10. Let's go.
I showed the
Roll. 2 and 3.
Yes, sir. Got all of them.
I need 6.
Here we go. 4 and 2.
6.
6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I got 4.
Here we
now.
go. There's no time to waste. 6 and 5.
11.
Oh. We're like very even right now. Here we go. 6 and 4. Ooh, now we're starting.
But what's going on with the 8?
Yeah.
Again.
It's a computer. I don't- 2 and 5. 2 and 3. Yeah, my brain tried to go right to the answer.
8.
Guys, and I'm not like I might play this game tonight, Space Base, and I'll take more pictures. We can talk more about it another time. 2 and 4.
6. Let's go.
I
I
got
need 2
more
more.
6.
I need 2 more. I only need.
So, real quick, Space Base is actually even more complicated because this, I could either play this as a 6, or you could break it and make it a 2 and a 4. So that's if you really want to learn about like how Space Base is a really cool game. But all right, here we go. 2 and 5.
7.
There's
One
7.
more. I literally need 2 more. I need 8. Oh, well.
Here we go. 4 and 3.
7.
7.
Come on, 8.
Come on.
We need
5 and 2.
7 again.
Come on. Oh, come on, please.
I need 2 more.
So 7's happening like we think, but 8, where are you, man?
I need 2 8s.
6 and 3.
9.
9.
One more.
Bro.
I need 1 more.
So yeah, if you like were gambling all your money on 8, you're real upset right now. Like,
Bro,
there's nothing
9 is-
going on.
Bro, 9 and 7 are just my
4 and
Yes!
I just won again. I just won again. I just won again.
Pack up. Have a great day. Pack up. What? It's, you get your suckers.
I just won again. It's right there.
Sometimes that works. This is sort of like the game. History at the end. It's because they mix the matches together. You owe me some earplugs. Because you've been screaming the whole class. Hey, what? Hay is for horses. Look at Miss Austin. She's